again, it's Helen from Hell of a Cake, and today we'll be creating unicorn cakesicles. I've made the plain bases in the previous video. If you want to see this, check out the link within the description box below. I'm beginning by making the little horn that sits on the top of the cakesicle, so I just pick up some white modelling paste and gently roll it into a point in my hands, then just do another one. Line them both up together and twist it to a point, just like we did in the unicorn cupcake video. What I've done is I've cut the bottom off. This just makes sure that it sits right when you put it on top of the cakesicle. I'm putting the horn to one side and moving on to the two ears. I gently roll out some white modelling paste into a point. I roughly keep it about 2mm thick. This just makes it look more elegant and pretty. The best way to shape the ear is by popping it in your finger. That way you can nip the end and that makes it secure. Put it on the table and then cut the end off. Please repeat this process again. So we'll have another ear. Then roll out some pink modelling paste the same way, but just make sure it's a little bit thinner so it fits within the white bit of the ear. Grab some edible glue and stick the two parts together. I find this so cheap to make myself at home, so check out the link above. Use the curved tool to mark a line down the middle of both ears. You can nip the end and then cut any excess away. What I'm going to do now is colour the horn, so I'm mixing the rejuvenator with the gold dust and covering it with a little brush. When you've done the horn, just a little bit of sugar flare dust along the line and this will enhance the look. I've then popped some candy melts into the microwave to warm them up. Using a small brush, I've just stuck the ears and horn on. I've just mixed a selection of pastel colours into some modelling paste. Choose the modelling paste that you want and push them into the flower mould and then take them out again. The link for the colours and the moulds will be in the description box below. When I've got enough flour, stick them onto the cakesicle using some candy melts. I like to shape them into a nice point so it makes it look like colourful hair. To create the eyes, I'm going to roll out a tiny amount of modelling paste into a line and then I'm going to curve it around to get a lovely shape. Once we've stuck them on, add some rejuvenator to some gold dust. Use a small brush and paint them on. Just remember to add two lovely little flicks to either side. I've just popped a little pink ribbon on it just to make it that extra bit cuter. And here are the finished unicorn cakesicles. If you're interested in more designs, make sure to like the video. Don't forget to subscribe and turn that notification bell on. Until next time.